Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a beef burger. I've got 500 grams of beef, and I'm going to season with garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning. You can use chicken all-purpose seasoning or just any all-purpose seasoning that you've got. And then I've got barbecue seasoning also. So this is barbecue seasoning, and I've got black pepper. So also adding black pepper, and also adding coriander powder. So just using the seasoning that you have in your pantry, nothing complicated. Just and then adding a bit of salt, and then mixing. So just mixing the beef, to make my burger patties. So now I'm just getting to make the burger patties using just make a little bit of balls that are a bit bigger. So just like that. So for the 500 grams of beef, I made 5 burgers. So you can make 4 to 5 burgers with that 500 grams. So I'm just using a chopping board, and then I'm using this baking paper to flatten the burger patties. So just like that, using the baking paper. Now I'm going to flatten my burger patties. Remember, if you want a bigger beef patty, just make sure you can add more meat. So just oil in a pan, and now I'm going to cook my burger patties. So I'm just cooking about 4 minutes on each side. And also I'm going to add some onions on the side, just for my toppings. Let me know what you put on your burger. Anything you put on a burger that is interesting, let me know in the comment section. So now I'm going to toast my burger, my burger bun. So in the same pan with the same juices, just toast the burger bun, and this will help also with the flavors. Look at that. So now I'm just assembling my burger. This burger is for my daughter, and she doesn't like sauce on your burger. So I'm just assembling it like this, but I'm going to use sauce for my own burger. So just this is how the burger looks. It's so delicious and easy to make. Let me know, guys, how you make your burgers, but this is easy to make, and you can use your own flavors. Guys, thank you for watching, and these are the burgers that I made for dinner today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.